Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video we are going to learn the big numbers. That means all the numbers which are greater than 100. Before we start, I would like to tell you that on daily basis, tens of people are joining our YouTube membership. So in case you haven't done it yet, just below this video, you will find a join button. And if you click on that, you will find various options. You can choose accordingly. So let's start. Now, do you know how do we say 16,547 in French? Well, in this video, we are going to find out. Well, numbers has always been something which is very difficult to remember. It becomes very difficult sometimes when someone gives you your telephone number and you have to note it down. So in this video, I'll try to make it simpler for you. Now, before we start with this video, I assume you already know the numbers from 0 to 100. And in case you do not know, I'll drop the link in the card above. If you haven't watched that video, watch that video first and then come back here again. And let's start now. So before we start with the big numbers, I assume that you already know the numbers from 20 to 100. But still, I'll teach you the essentials of this. All right. So 20 is 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 et finalement 100. And now let's finally move on to the big numbers. All right, so we'll try to break it. All right, so now this is 101. So what do we say 100 in French? That's 100. 100 is 100 and then add 1 to it. So 101. Very simple. 101. Now this would be 102. 102. This would be 123. All right, so you can do it like this. 123. All right, 100, 100, 20, 23, 3. 123. As simple as that. All right, now this is 200. 200. So 2 is 2 and 100 is 100. So 200. 200. All right, but don't forget to put an S over there because it's 2 hundreds. All right, it's plural, so 200. Now similarly 300 because it's 300. 300 again with an S. Now this would be what? This would be 245. 245. So 200 would be 240, 45. 245. 245. Now if you're thinking that I have not put any S over here, this is perfectly all right. Why? You put an S when you do not have something after 100. That means 200. You do not have anything after 100, therefore you put this S. Now here after 100 you have 45. So this S would be omitted again. So it's 245. 245. Now this would be what? This would be 750 and then 6. So together it becomes 700, 700, because 100 is 100, 700. Now 50 is 50 and 6 is 6. 756. 756. Now this would be what? This would be 100 and then 60 and then 1. As simple as that. 100, 100, 60, 60 and 1 is 1. So 161. 161. Again, I'd like to tell you that if after 100 you do not have anything, only then you put an S. If you have something after that, then you do not put that S. All right, let's continue with 1000. Now 1000 in French is known as mille. Mille. All right. So now 2000 would be known as 2000. 2000 because it's 2000. So 2 is 2 and 1000 is mille. So 2000. Now, if you're wondering, I have not put an S over here, but it is perfectly alright. Meal never takes an S. 2000. Now, this would be, you will need to break it, alright? So this would be, in English, how do you say? 2640. 2640. Yes? Now 2000, as I explained, it is 2000. 600 would be 600, as I explained previously, and then 40 would be 40. So together it becomes 2640. Alright, now let's continue with this. This would be, again you need to break it. So it would be 3256. 3256. So it becomes 3000 would be 3200. Perfect. And then 56. 3256. Perfect. Now this would be what? Now in English, I know you say it as 1991, but not in French. In French, it would be 1991. So how do you say 1991? So it would be 1000 is 1000, 900 would be 900, and then 91 would be 91. So it comes out to be 1991. Now this would again be 1800 and then 60. So together it becomes 1860, as I've written, 1860. So my personal suggestion, whenever you have a bigger number, just break it into parts. Alright, it would be much easier. Now again, this would be what? This would be 1 million. 1 million. 1 million, and likewise this would be, because this is 2 millions, so it is the million with an S. With S. Alright, so whenever you get a bigger number, just break it into parts and try to say it then. Now let's practice. So this is 647. So every time we are going to break it, 647. So it becomes 647. 647. Alright, now this you practice yourself. So this is 134. So it becomes 100 is 100. 30, 30 and 4 is 4. So together it becomes 134. Alright. Now next would be 3286. Alright. So it becomes 3286. So 3286. And now let's continue with this. 6149. So it becomes 6000, or you can say 6149. 6149. Très bien, bravo. Now this is little harder than that. So this is, if you will break it, 13,640 and then 3. So it becomes 13,000 is 13,600, 600, and then 40, 40, followed by 3, that's 3. So together, 13,643. Bravo. Let's continue with this. You can break down and write down in your notebook 34,970 and then 8. So it becomes 34,000, 34,000, 34,900, 978, 78. 34,978. Alright, so let's move on to another big numbers. Let's break it. Alright, so how you would say this? 421,000. Then it would be 674. Or you can do it like this, 21,000 if you want. Depends upon you, how do you want to break it. Alright, so 400 would be 400. 400. 21. So 21 would be 21. And then 1000 would be 1000. So 421,000 and then 674. So 600 is 600. 600 is 600 and then 74 would be 74. Alright, so 421,000, 421,000, 674. 674. Bravo. Now the last one is, this would be what? I told you this would be 1 million, 500, 42,331. All right, quite a big number, but if you break it and then try to say it, it would be much simpler. So 1 million would be 1,500,500. 42 is 42, 1,000, 1000, 300, 331, which is 31. So 1,542,331. All right. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And in case you're not getting the updates and reminders, then make sure that you have hit the bell icon as well. For complete courses related to French language, you can visit our website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.thinkific.com. And in case you have any query related to our courses or any other query, you can WhatsApp us on the given number. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir et bisous bisous.